Machini kendo nya kwa Ramogi. Jodak e gweng' ma Chemase kar chung'od bura matindret e kaunti ma Nandi dwaro mondo piny owacho one ni osiptende yudo yedhe mag thiedho suma mar thuol. Jodak go wacho ni gwengego thuondi thoro kayo e oganda kendo thothgi wito ngimagi nikech onge mar yedhe mowinjore mathiedho suma mar thuol. Gikwayo Kemri mondo orangi wach kecho mar thuol e gwengego kendo giyang yath makare manyalo thiedho jogo ma thuol okayo.
Malaria mingi na manyoka naweza uma mtu hapa, lakini nataka tuombe hata Nandi County government atupatie dawa ya nyoka hapa iwe karibu hapa, kwa sababu challenge niko mingi hapa. Tuko na madaktari ambaye hawezi kutosha kufanya kazi. Tungeomba county government naye, kwa sababu hiyo hawezi andikwa na kampuni. County government ndio anafaa kuandika na madaktari.
We usually get around 10 cases of snake bites per month, and they usually come from within this area, and it's quite a challenge because we have to ferry to refer the patients to Nandi Hills County Hospital, where they are usually sorted out. But if we could get the anti-snake venom around, we would reduce the number of referrals we'll be referring to Nandi Hills and any other facility, or also it will also deter deaths. We are sending an appeal to researchers like Kemri to set up a research center here to research about the types of snakes, the common snakes around here.
The hospitals usually receive snake bites. We are trying to discuss with the Karebe Gold Mine Management to see if we can supply the hospitals with anti-venom.